Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Right, so I have Peanut and Pepper here joining us today. Let's hope they behave, don't make too much noise. So today we've just been doing household chores and laundry, so I didn't film anything because I didn't think it would be, one, interesting to film, or two, interesting to watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the Holly Jolly tag that I've been seeing on YouTube for the last couple of years. Old big stretch Peanut, huh? You doing yoga? Okay, so question number one, your favorite Christmas movie. This one's really hard because I have a lot of favorites. I would say either Miracle on 34th Street or Muppets Christmas Carol. Okay, number two, are you on the naughty list or the nice list? Nice list every year. Show us an embarrassing Christmas photo. I actually don't have any embarrassing Christmas photos. I don't even think I have any photo. Well, no, I do have one, so I'll insert it here so you guys can see it. It's not embarrassing, but it's a Christmas photo. Let's see. Have you ever had a white Christmas? Yes. Last year was my first time having a white Christmas. So I grew up in Florida, so there are no white Christmases in Florida. And I've only ever lived in hot places where it's never snowed. So last year, when we moved here to Nebraska, that was my first year having a white Christmas. And I think we're gonna have a white Christmas this year because it's already been snowing. And we had a blizzard warning yesterday, but lucky for us, the blizzard happened more down south towards like Kansas City. Okay, sorry. Number five, do you start your Christmas shopping on Black Friday or wait until the last minute? So I actually prepare for Christmas all year round. I start Christmas shopping in January. The reason why I do this is because I find it much easier on my wallet if I spread out buying gifts and presents, or gifts and presents, same thing, sorry. If I spread out buying like gifts and decorations and wrapping paper and all of that through, like, so I get paid twice a month through 24 paychecks versus just 2. It's a lot easier, and I always hit up the after Christmas sales once Christmas is over to buy like all the wrapping paper and stuff, because it's usually like 90% off or something crazy, so I stock up then, but buy gifts throughout the year. Alright, number 6, if you could be in any Christmas movie, what would it be? I don't know. If I could be in any Christmas movie, what would it be? I really like Arthur Christmas. Maybe I would be in Arthur Christmas. But I would be an elf that believed in Arthur the whole time instead of thinking he was like, you know, crazy. Alright, number 8, name all of Santa's reindeer. So you have Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen. 9, when does your family put up your Christmas tree and who decorates it? So usually I wait until the 1st of December to go get a tree, because I feel like that's when it's like socially acceptable. I know a lot of people get kind of defensive with Thanksgiving being skipped, but this year we went and got the tree the day after Christmas because I wanted to go to a Christmas tree farm, and they're only open like up until December 2nd, I think, and because I'll be on alert on the 1st and 2nd, so I wouldn't have been able to go, so we got our tree early this year. And who decorates it? Both Mike and I, we decorate it, and growing up it'd be me, my sisters, my mom, my dad, the whole family. Hi, Peanut. Okay. Number 10, is your Christmas tree real or fake? Yeah, real every year. The only time I didn't get real trees was when I lived in Italy, because I lived by myself and I wouldn't have been able to carry a tree up the stairs to my apartment, and 2, I didn't even know where to get Christmas trees at in Italy. So, but other than that, they're always real, team real tree, unlike my friend Tanisha, who's all about the fake tree. Let's see. Number 12, picking at gifts or be surprised? Be surprised. 13, show us your ugly Christmas sweater if you have one. Okay, so Pepper, stop licking your feet. This is the closest thing I have to an ugly Christmas sweater right now. Got this at Target when we lived in Texas, and it's 2 penguins kissing and making a heart. When I lived in Italy, I did have this really ugly sweater. It was like pink with a squirrel wearing a Santa hat, and it was like kind of like 3D, so it had like a bushy tail, and the hat was made out of felt. And I've since sold that one. But yeah, so this is, I don't know if you can say this ugly Christmas sweater, but it's the sweater I have right now. If you could be under the mistletoe with anyone, who would it be? So besides my husband, just give me this look like, yeah, that better be your answer. So definitely my husband and my 3 dogs. But if I could have my wish, it would be Captain America. He already did that though.
Me
but
too.
Yeah, him too. I think he would like it if Emma Stone was under the mistletoe with him. But yeah, so.
Or Channing Tatum.
Or Channing Tatum. So yeah, husband, dogs, or Captain America. Let's see. Does your family have a special holiday recipe you like to help make? No. I do have a favorite recipe that I like to eat, which is my mom's hash brown casserole. She makes that for Christmas breakfast. But I don't know. I wasn't really a big cook growing up, so I never really helped making anything. Let's see. Are you a pro present wrapper, or do you fail miserably? I would call myself semi-pro. It's pretty good, but I have trouble wrapping odd-shaped gifts. Have you ever gone Christmas caroling? No. I sing Christmas carols in the car. Does that count? What tops your tree? Okay, so we have a Santa topper that we bought our first Christmas together. And if you guys watch day 1's vlog, you'll see the Santa. He always leans. He's never up straight. So we call him our drunken Santa. We think he drinks too much eggnog. Okay, what's next? 19. Do you make New Year's resolutions and do you stick to them? So I used to make resolutions, but then I just never stuck to them, so I didn't really see the point. So now I kind of make goals. I feel like if it's a goal, it takes some of the pressure off. So last year, actually, every year since I can remember, one of my goals has been to stop biting my fingernails. I've been a really bad nail biter, and I've actually done pretty good. So I know it's at the end of the year, but I finally have some like little baby fingernails, and that's actually really exciting to me because I've never had nails. They've always been chewed off, so hopefully I've broken that bad habit. Alright, number 20. You have been granted one Christmas wish. What will it be? Just be happy for like the remainder of my life. I've had moments where I've been really sad a lot. Like when my dad passed away, those first couple of years are really hard on me, and I don't ever want to be, I don't want to feel like that ever again. So I would say my one Christmas wish is to just be happy for the rest of my life. Just be happy. Okay, yeah, I kind of ended that tag a little bit, a little bit on the downside. But yeah, so that's the end. And now my dog Morton has found another dog to bark at, and now Pepper and Peanut are inside and they're sad. Okay, sorry about that. My dog was outside barking at another dog, so we had to go bring him inside. So yeah, that's the end of this tag video. I want to go ahead and tag Claire from Penguin and Pear, Shells from Shells Hearts Art, and then who else? Lisa from And So On. And today's gift, number 4, I brought it up here, is some Ginger Featherweight Thread Snips. Did you lock them in the basement? Okay. So if you guys would like to win these snips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then leave a comment below answering any of the 20 tag questions. And I'll put the questions in the description box below. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye.